This is Mr. Jerry, and today's his graduation day. He just completed therapy with us. We're just going to ask you a few questions. What was life like before starting treatment here? Did you have any limitations?
I did have limitations. I was having falling spells, and since then, that's history. I don't have any vertical issues. I feel, back the way I was many years ago, prior to having unstableness. So.
Well, that's awesome. You already answered my second question, was what kind of changes and improvements have you noticed since completing the treatment? So definitely the stability.
Absolutely. I have more confidence in my maneuverability. So going up and down stairs, I don't have any issue.
Okay.
Which was or could have been disastrous, but I held on to things. I don't do that anymore.
Okay.
So it has been satisfactory to me for what I came for the service. I got the service.
Good. Excellent. What advice would you give to someone who is curious about the program?
I think that they should decide for themselves their quality of life that they currently have and what they had maybe years ago, and decide, do I want to stay stuck in where I am currently, not sure whether I'm going to embarrass myself by falling down or something like that, because I did have those events that just walking around the block, I wasn't sure I was going to make it back, and one time I didn't.
Wow. That's excellent. I'm so glad that you came in for our treatments.
Oh, I am too.
And I'm so glad that you're graduating.
And I'm excited, and I want a bronze plaque.
Of course. For you, Mr. Wisely.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
You bet.